Hi everyone, Tommy L Garage here, and I'm here to tell you that I have a problem, and that problem is indecisiveness. If you follow my channel, you know that I've gone through a couple of steering wheels and shifters and whatnot, and today we are doing a bit of the same actually. We're switching back my steering wheel, we're switching back my shifter, but the combination that I'm about to do is we actually haven't done that yet. Now, why am I doing this considering the fact that I've only driven the car 1,500 miles in 6 months? We're doing it because I like to keep things interesting, and I guess I get bored of things rather quickly. So I actually love this steering wheel when I put it back on a couple of months ago, and the shifter, I kind of got tired of it. So it's time to switch things up, and this is what I went with. For the shifter, here we've got the OEM M Performance shifter, and as you recall, I used to have an M Performance shifter, but it was the skinny one, the one that's not lit up. This is the one that is lit up. It's made out of this cool aluminum product here. It's got this awesome tri-stitching here. Obviously it's got a cable here so it lights up. It's got Alcantara that I'm not happy with. I do prefer the OEM leather one. Maybe one of these days we'll have a project where we swap this for that. But you know what? I liked this when I saw it online only because it feels heavy, and let me just put it next to this. This trim matches, whoa, come on, get up there, buddy. This trim matches some of the silver trim that you see up there, and obviously, you know, some of the black one. And I do like this M color decal here. And obviously, you've got a little M up top. From the top, let's see, size-wise, they look very much the same. The only thing is this one feels a bit rounder to the touch, whereas this one is a bit of a square, if you will. I think lengthwise they're pretty much the same. We're going to compare them when we take them out. Actually, no, there you go. See, they are pretty much the same. So shift feel should be fairly similar, except this is heavier, so maybe this will feel more of like a weighted shifter. And you know what, we might as well replace it now. To do this, you simply, you see, you grab your finger here, you push it and you pull up. This exposes the boot. Then you follow the cable, here, and it reveals this connection, which you simply undo. There we go. And now to pry the shifter, all you have to do is pry it up. Come on. Yes. Simply comes right out. This is the difference. This is the Alcantara one. Obviously the connection is the same. And putting it back in, you flip the skirt up. You take the cable, you hook up the cable here, tuck it out of the way so it doesn't interfere with your shifts. Stick it back on, make sure it's aligned, then give it a good hit. All right, and tuck everything back in. And we're good to go. I've got to say, it feels pretty good. Again, I'm not happy that this is Alcantara. And no, before you ask, I will not be replacing my brake shifter and my center armrest with Alcantara. I'm done with that. I just like the way this looks. And I've got to say, it feels pretty good. This gives me a feeling of a new car. Maybe that's what I'm always after, a feeling of a new car. So, yes, I like it. And I've got to say, it rolls off your palm a little better than OEM. So yeah, this is pretty good. I like it. And let's see how long I keep it for. Anybody wants dibs on it? Next in line, we've got this little guy. We're gonna put it here. We have a steering wheel, and not just any steering wheel, an M Performance V2 steering wheel. Now, wait a minute, Tommy, you'll say. Didn't you already have that steering wheel and you got rid of it because it was Alcantara and the top got all faded and stuff? Yes, I did have it. and I had a change of heart. What I did not have is, I did not have that steering wheel with a combination of this trim. And also, if you follow my videos, you'll know that I said that this combination would not necessarily look good. Today I'm swallowing my words and I will try it. So without any further ado, we're gonna do it. Now, I already did a video on how to swap the steering wheel, so I'm not gonna bore you with it. I'm going to link it down below, as well as up there. And today, with just the magic of editing, we're gonna go from this steering wheel to this. So this took literally maybe 5 minutes to swap all the internals. Again, refer to the video that I posted in the link. But essentially, what I have differently this time is I've got this carbon fiber piece that obviously matches with all the carbon fiber trim. You've got this steering wheel that again is Alcantara, but I do like its shape. This steering wheel does not have a heating element, so I will most likely swap to the original steering wheel during the winter. But for the summer, maybe this is not too bad. I do have a track event coming up next weekend, so this I think is more aggressive for the track. And now look at this. This looks kind of cool with the shifter. When you pair it this with the shifter, I've got to say this looks money. I don't know what I was thinking when I said that this combination would not look good. I take it back and I say that it looks fantastic. And seriously, this shifter feels so good. Oh, I love it. The steering wheel itself, I've got to say, this, once again, you've got this sharp point on the steering wheel, which I don't necessarily like, but you typically grip the wheel here anyways. And my track event is on a hot day, which means I'm not going to be wearing gloves, which means holding Alcantara is actually a lot better without gloves, so this will serve me well. But anyways, this is pretty much what you get. So this is it. I hope you don't think I'm too crazy, but I'm just I don't know, I sit at home, I've been working from home now, and all these thoughts are going through my head. Hey, maybe I should switch this up, maybe I should switch this up. And to me, this combination now looks kind of cool, and it matches my shorts, so that's the most important thing. Anyways, let me know what you think of this combination by commenting below. I doubt I'm going to be going back to more Alcantara, because this to me is already an overkill, but I gotta say I quite like this combination. It does look kind of cool. And on that note, I wanted to thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.